Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing and reviewing this budget-friendly metal collapsible shoe stand priced under $200. We'll check its quality, assembly, and durability to see if it's worth buying. The packaging is simple, and the stand looks sturdy at first glance. Assembling it was a bit tricky due to tight connectors, but overall, it was manageable. Once set up, it felt stable and compact. The stand is made of carbon steel with an anti-rust coating, making it durable. It measures 65 centimeters W times 64 centimeters H times 19.6 centimeters D, ideal for small spaces. I tested it with sneakers, sandals, and heels, and it held up well, though it may not support heavier shoes. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable, easy to assemble, compact, and durable. Cons: tight connectors, limited capacity, not for heavy shoes. Overall, it's great for small spaces but not for heavy-duty use. If you found this review helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly reviews. See you in the next one.